After yesterday's contentious hearing,
You're just making stuff up, Senator.
overnight, President Trump expressing confidence in Robert F. Kennedy Jr., though saying he didn't watch.
And he means very well, and he's got some little different ideas. I heard he did very well.
The Health and Human Services Secretary in the spotlight.
Would you accept the fact that 1 million Americans died from COVID?
I don't know how many. I don't think anybody knows that because there was so much data chaos coming out of the CDC.
The Secretary of Health and Human Services doesn't know how many Americans died from COVID. Doesn't know if the vaccine helped prevent any deaths. How can you be that ignorant?
Multiple Republican senators questioning Kennedy's stance on vaccines.
In your confirmation hearings, you promised to uphold the highest standards for vaccines. Since then, I've grown deeply concerned. If we're going to make America healthy again, we can't allow public health to be undermined.
We're going to make it clear, evidence-based, and trustworthy.
Republican Bill Cassidy, a doctor who was pivotal in Kennedy's confirmation, also expressing concerns.
I would say effectively we're denying people vaccine.
Senators questioning a long list of controversial decisions, including firing the CDC director Susan Menares after only a month on the job. Menares saying she was pressured to pre-approve recommendations from a powerful panel that she says includes anti-vaccine advocates. Kennedy denying that.
So she's lying today to the American people in the Wall Street Journal.
Yes, sir. I told her that she had to resign because I asked her, are you a trustworthy person? And she said no. So if you...
The secretary contending his overhaul of the federal agencies is necessary.
They deserve the truth, and that's what we're going to give them for the first time in the history of that agency.
And some senators are worried his worldview is creeping into policy at the state level, with Florida becoming the first state to end all vaccine mandates, a shift Republican Tom Tillis believes could cost lives. Hasn't Secretary Kennedy contributed to that?
Oh, I think we have a big risk.